Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed my channel, first of all go and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Good morning students. Today we will study about the rules of ray diagram, how the ray diagram is constructed. So today we will study about some rules for the ray diagram in concave and convex mirror. So in the previous class we have studied about the spherical mirror and some of the terms of the spherical mirror like as principle of axis, center of curvature, aperture, yes, pole of mirror, focus, focal length. We have already studied in the previous class. Today we will study about the rules how we draw the ray diagram in concave and convex mirror. What are the rules should be remembered while we are constructing the diagram. So today we will study about that rules and be careful and watch it properly. Don't skip these videos. Okay? Don't skip these videos. Look the videos carefully and try to do in your home also. So now let's start. Now here is a ray diagram. What is that ray diagram? Ray diagram means the diagram which shows the information of image. What is? Which gives the information about the image. That is called what? Ray diagram. Ray diagram is what? As you know, the image is formed when in the concave and convex mirror. The image is formed, and that image information about that image that the ray diagram is drawn. So what are the rules? What are the rules for the drawing the ray diagram in concave mirror? First of all, let's read the word concave mirror. After that, we read the convex. So let's start the first rule. What is the first rule is saying? First of all, try to understand, then write. When the incidence ray is parallel to the principal of axis, when in the incidence ray, as you know, here this is a what? Concave or convex? Concave, because inner surface is reflecting side and outer side is polished. This is the concave mirror. So here is the principle of axis. What is this? Principle of axis. And this is the center of curvature. Yes, this is the focus. This is the focus, and this point is the principle of what? Pole of mirror. This is the pole of mirror. First rule is what is saying? When an incidence ray is parallel to the principle of axis, then what happens? When an incidence ray is parallel to the principle of axis, when an incidence ray is parallel to the principle of axis, after the reflection, the incidence after the reflected ray, it always pass through the focus. First rule. When the incidence ray is parallel to the principle of axis, the reflected ray always pass through the focus. First rule. Once again I am saying, when the incidence ray, what is incidence ray? The ray which comes out from the source of light, that is the incidence ray. When an incidence ray is parallel to the principle of axis, at that time, after the reflection, reflected ray must be passed through the focus. First rule. Second rule. When an incidence ray pass through the focus, then what happens? Now I will show you another concave mirror. As you know, this is the principle of axis, this is the center of curvature, this is the focus, this is the pole of mirror. Yes. Second rule. When the incidence ray is passing from the focus, when an incidence ray passing through the focus, now incidence ray is passing through the focus, then after the reflection, after the reflected, it pass parallel to the principal of axis. It always reflected to the what? Parallel to the principal of axis. Now, this incidence ray, when passing from the what? Focus, then it must be parallel to the principal of axis. Second rule, when the incidence ray is passing from the focus, then after the reflections, that ray must be parallel to the principal of axis. This is the second rule. Okay, first rule is when the incidence ray is parallel to the principal of axis, after that striking, it returns back to the focus. And another is when the incidence ray now passing through the focus, that must be parallel to the principal of axis. Now, third rule is what is when. Now let's talk about the third rule. What is third rule? Rule number 3. Rule number 3 is what is saying. This is a center of curvature. This is a focus. And rule number 3 is what is saying when an incidence ray are passing from the center of curvature, then what happens? Center of curvature. When an incidence ray is passing through the center of curvature, then what will happen? Then after the striking the mirror, it returns back in a same medium, in a same line. It does not go through the focus or pole of mirror. Yes, when it goes through the center of curvature, then it returns back to the center of curvature. यसको अर्थ के भयो कि कुनै रे सेन्टर अफ कर्वेचर बाट जान्छ भने त्यो रिफ्लेक्सन गरिसकेपछि फेरि सेन्टर अफ कर्वेचरबाट रिटर्न आउँछ. रुल नम्बर 3. Rule number 4. What is our rule number 4? Rule number 4 is rule number B or 4 in a concave mirror. Here, this is the center of curvature, this is the focus, and this is the what? Principal of pole of mirror. Now, when an incidence ray pass through the pole of mirror, then what will happen? Incidence ray goes to the pole of mirror. Now, then what is the angle formed between the incidence ray and the principal of axis? Yes, that is same as it return back by making the same angle of incidence. That is sin I by sin R. It means both sin I is equal to R. It means when an incidence ray is passing through the pole of mirror, strikes the pole of mirror, it forms an angle between the principal and incidence ray. The same as it forms an angle between the principal axis and the reflected. यसको अर्थ के भयो कि कुनै एउटा इन्सिडेन्स रे पोल अफ मिररमा गएर ठोकियो भने एक्सट्र्याक्ट गर्यो भने जति एंगलले प्रिन्सिपल अफ एक्सिस र इन्सिडेन्स रेले बनेको हुन्छ त्यतिकै एंगलमा त्यो रिफ्लेक्टेड ब्याक हुन्छ. यस, सो देयर आर 4 रुल्स. पहिलो रुल के थियो? कुनै इन्सिडेन्स रे प्रिन्सिपल अफ एक्सिसबाट प्यारलली छ भने त्यो फोकसबाट पास हुन्छ अब स्ट्र्याकिङ ठोकेर. दोस्रो रुल मैले के भनेको थिए कि यदि कुनै रे फोकसबाट पास गरिरहेको छ भने स्ट्राइक गरिसकेपछि त्यो प्रिन्सिपल अफ एक्सिससँग प्यारलल हुन्छ. तेस्रो रुल, कुनै रे इन्सिडेन्ट रे सेन्टर अफ कर्वेचरबाट गइरहेको छ भने रिफ्लेक्सन गरिसकेपछि त्यो सेम मिडियम, सेम वे, सेम लाइन इट कम्स भनेको त्यही बाटोबाट त्यही लाइनमा रिटर्न आउँछ। चौथो मैले भने कि कुनै इन्सिडेन्सले पोल अफ मिररमा गएर ठोकेर आयो भने त्यो जति एंगलले बनाएको हुन्छ प्रिन्सिपल अफ एक्सिससँग त्यतिकै रिफ्लेक्टेड एंगलबाट पास हुन्छ। सो देयर आर द फोर रुल्स अफ the ray diagram in concave mirror. Now I will show you the in a concave mirror by keeping the object in a different position. By keeping the what object in a different positions. So don't skip these videos. Let's watch. Continue.